Good morning students. Today we will do exercise 11.1. Our 11th chapter is based on the mensurations. Mensurations means measurement of the different areas, volumes of the figures like squares, rectangles, trapezium. Okay. So we have to apply the formulas and find the areas, volumes, okay, in this chapter. Okay, so question 1 is a square and rectangular field with measurements are given as figure having the same perimeters, both having the same perimeters. So here the square side is 60 meter and length of the rectangle is 80 meter. If they are having same perimeter, the perimeter of the square is 4 into side, that is 4 into 60, that is 250 meter. Okay, so we'll first find the perimeter of the square. Now we are not given here the breadth of the rectangle, so we'll find the breadth of the rectangle first for finding the area. So the perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth, so we'll put the value of length here 80 meter and equate is this perimeter is equal to 240 meter as given in our question. So we will get the value of the breadth. Breadth is equal to 40 meter. Now the area of the square is side square, that is side into side. Side given here is 60 meter and its square is 3600 meter square, and the area of rectangle is length into breadth, and that is 80 meter into 40 meter. Okay, so it is equal to 3200 meter square. Now we can compare the area of the square is greater than the area of the rectangle because it is 3600 meter square and the area of rectangle is 3200 meter square. Question number 2. Mrs. Kaushik has a square plot with the measurement as shown in the following figure. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. Garden is developed around the house. Find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of rupees 55 meter per meter square. Now you can see the house and the garden. The measurements are given here. The house measurements are 15 meter and 20 meter and garden measurement is at 25 meter. So garden is in a square shape and house in the rectangular shape. Okay. So what is the area of the plot is the 25 into 25, that is 625 square meter, and what is the area of the house, that is the area of the rectangle, that is 15 meter into 20 meter, so it is 300 meter square. Now what we have to find the area of the remaining portion, that is the squares area minus square plots area minus the area of the house, that is equal to 325 meter square. Now we have to develop this area at the rate of 55 per meter square. So we will multiply it by this rate, the 325 meter square into 55, that is 17,875 rupees. Now the shape of a garden is rectangular in the middle and semicircular at the ends. Okay, as shown in the diagram. Find the area and perimeter of the garden. So length of the rectangle is 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5 meters. The hint is given here. Okay, so we'll find the length of rectangle here. So here reducing the circular shapes from the both the sides, 3.5 plus 3.5, that is 7 meters, it is equal to 13 meter is the length of this garden. Okay, now the circumference of one semicircular part is pi r. Okay, not pi r square because it is a semicircle. So pi r 22 upon 7 into 3.5, that is 11 meter, and circumference of both semicircular parts is 22 meter, that is 2 into 11. Now perimeter of the garden is equal to AB plus length of both semicircular regions BC and DA plus CD. So here DA plus CD is the values. Putting the values of this AB is equal to 13 meters and both the semicircular regions is 22 meters and again the CD is 13 meter. So total perimeter of this garden is 48 meter. Okay, so area of the garden is equal to area of rectangle plus 2 into area of two semicircular regions. This is the perimeter 48 meter. Now we are going to calculate the areas of the garden. So area of the garden is length into breadth, that is 13 into 7 and 2 into area of two semicircular regions, that is 2 into half into pi r square. Semicircular regions, that is we are putting here half and 2 into half into pi r square, that is 22 upon 7 into 3.5 whole square. So area of rectangle is 13 into 7, that is 91, plus area of two semicircular regions 38.5, that is 129.5 meter square. A flooring tile has the shape of parallelogram whose base is 24 cm and corresponding height is 10 cm. How much such tiles are? We have to find the number of tiles to cover a floor of area 1080 meter square. Okay, so if required you can split the tiles in whatever you want to fill up the corners. So area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. What is the area of parallelogram? It is equal to the base into height, and we are given here base and height, so we'll use this formula to get the 240 cm square area of the one tile. Okay, so one tile is in the shape of parallelogram. So how many such tiles are covered with the area 1080 meter square? So area of the floor is 1080 and area of each tile, we will divide this to get the number of tiles. So number of tiles, area is given in meter square, and in the area of tile we have calculated here in centimeter square. So we will multiply this meter square with 10,000 to get into the centimeter square. Okay, so we will get here 45,000 tiles as answer. An ant is moving around a few wood pieces of different shapes scattered on the floor. For which would the ant should have to a longer rod? For which food piece would the ant have to take a longer round? Remember, circumference of a circle can be obtained by using the expression c is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, we know here that the circumference of circle is 2 pi r, and where r is the radius of the circle. So here there are three shapes, 2.8 centimeter. Okay, the radius of the semicircular part in the first case, the A part, that is the 2.8 upon 2. Okay, because 2.8 is the diameter of this semicircular part, and dividing it by 2 we will get the radius, that is 1.4 centimeter, and perimeter of the given figure is 2.8 centimeter plus pi r. Okay, not pi r square, pi r. So it is pi r, 2 pi r half, because whole circumference is 2 pi r and height half is pi r. Okay, so here we will get the 2.8 centimeter plus pi r equal to 7.2 centimeter is the perimeter. Now the radius of semicircular part in the B case is 1.4 centimeter, and perimeter of the given figure is 1.5 centimeter plus 2.8 centimeter plus 1.5 centimeter plus pi r. Okay, so here there are semicircular and diagonals also, diameters also there. So we will have this to get the radius and add them together to get the 10.2 centimeter perimeter of the semicircular part. Radius r of semicircular part here also is 1.4 centimeter, but then here perimeter is changed because the lengths are given here 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter and then pi r. Okay, the ant will have to take longer round for the foot piece B. So B is the longest part here, 10.2 centimeter. So ant have to travel for the longer time for covering the B part, because the perimeter of the figure in alternative B is the greatest among all, because ant have to travel greater distance, that is 10.2 centimeter. Okay, in this way we have to find these perimeters and areas of the given squares and rectangles and circular semicircular shapes. Okay, so these measurements we have to calculate in this chapter, mensuration. This is our exercise 11.1. Thank you. Have a nice day.